Hello dear students, I wish you all a happy new year. Today I am going to explain the 9th chapter of your English grammar book. The topic is active and passive voice. Before you learn active and passive voice, you must know what is voice. The form of the verb that shows whether the subject of a sentence does an action or has done an action is called voice. Here we have examples of two sentences. One is Kiran read the book and the other is the book was read by Kiran. If you notice, you will see that both the sentences are same. Both are expressing the same idea, same thought. But they are different in form. There is a difference of emphasis. In the first sentence, Kiran read the book. We are emphasizing on Kiran, who is the subject of the verb read. But in the second sentence, the book was read by Kiran. We are emphasizing on the book, who is the subject of the verb read. So, based on form of expression, voices are divided into two groups. One is active voice and the other is passive voice. When the form of the verb shows that the person or the thing denoted by the subject does something or is the doer of the action, then the verb is in active voice. For example, let's take the same example. Kiran read the book. The sentence is in active voice. Some more examples of active voice are like Shivam is teaching his sister. Rama shut the door, etc. Next, let us learn passive voice. A verb is in passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. Again, let's take the same example. The book was read by Kiran. This sentence is in passive voice. Some more examples of passive voice are: the poem was written by Shakespeare. By whom will the cat be scared? There are certain general rules for changing sentences from active voice into passive voice. First, separate the sentences into subject, verb and object. Means identify these three things of a sentence at first. Secondly, turn the object of the given sentence into the subject place and bring the object of the given sentence to the place of subject in the next sentence. Thirdly, write be verb form according to the tense of the verb. If the sentence is in present tense, you have to write is, am or are with the subject. Similarly, you have to write the be verb form if it is in past tense or future tense. Next, we have to write the past participle form of the main verb. Means go, went, gone. Here gone is the past participle form, and that way you have to find out the past participle form of the verb. Fifthly, we have to write preposition by before the object of the sentence in passive voice. So if you follow all the above mentioned rules, definitely you will be able to convert sentences from active voice to passive voice and from passive voice to active voice very easily. That's the end of today's class. Thank you.